you guys, and welcome to week 6. Change of scenery here a little bit. I'm outside. This week I want to warn you about something. The Planet Soma, which is the lab that you have to complete by Sunday, is involved. You're going to need some extra time on it. They're getting more and more involved as we go along. So just a warning not to leave it till 10 p.m. on Sunday, because you're going to need some time to go through that and understand what these different compounds are doing in the nervous system. So get started on that soon so that you have time to go through that. So we're on neurons 2 this week and seemingly doing fine. My office hour on Wednesday is canceled, so I'm doing it today, so 4 to 6 on Monday. And I hope to see some of you there. I don't have any other news for you. Okay, see you then.